We left Santa Fe and headed to Flagstaff, Arizona to meet with Tiny Home Tours for a tour of our van. We stayed and camped at the BLM land here for a few peaceful nights. We then packed up and headed to Sedona, Arizona.
That is really close to my face.
The sun is coming. It looks so okay, so we found this spot here. It looks like it's a trail around. Valerie's gonna check it out with Sadie. Sadie, you want to stay in the van? It's beautiful.
Yeah, it looks like a hiking trail.
Awesome.
So we can hike.
Wanna get going?
Yeah, I gotta get ready.
Cool.
Ready for the hike.
The goat. Can't keep up with this goat. Oh, Mallory. Definitely you need lungs. Oh, there's a side. Okay, let's go up here. You're good. Thank you. Wow. Wow. I want to do it too, and also don't. I see him right there.
My butt is gonna look so good after this.
Let me see.
Not
It's
yet,
already
not
looking
yet.
better. I feel like a bunch of amateurs trying to hike.
This is why we need to do it, so we can get in better shape, so we can do better, bigger, crazier hikes. I can't even sit up straight.
It's all because of the thin air. Do you see what I see? Oh, so good. Oh man. Oh, so beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, magical.
So beautiful. Oh.
I can't wait to do this drone footage.
A sea of cacti. So beautiful. Other than a few people on bikes, we're the only ones out here. It's Thanksgiving Day, so I guess everyone's at home eating, and that's good for us because we have this beautiful place to ourselves.
Pyramid, and this is way back to pyramid again, and this takes back to us Scorpion. So if we go all the way and come back, if we take this way,
Scorpion.
so we could be doing
And
the
that's
other
pyramid.
road. So we will be going like this, but when we come back we go this way, so we will be ending up in the van area.
Oh, okay.
So we'll be doing both hikes.
Hello. My nose keeps running.
Yeah, it's also working out.